Hi guys, today we are going to discuss one of central government's very important scheme. Day by day increasing problem of water shortage and decreasing level of groundwater inspired our Prime Minister to launch a time-bound mission mode water conservation program Jal Shakti Abhiyan. This program will run in two phases. In its first phase, the campaign will run from 1st July to 15th September 2019 and will cover all Indian states and union territories. In its second phase, it will cover only those states and union territories which receive the retreating monsoon. Guys, which receive the retreating monsoon from 1st October to 30th November 2019. I hope we all know which states and union territories receive retreating monsoon. For reminding, I will just tell you that Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Puducherry and Tamil Nadu are the states and union territories which receive retreating monsoon. It is not the work of a single ministry or department, but it is a collaborative effort of different ministries at central as well as at state level, which will be coordinated by Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation. With this, it will involve mass mobilization of different groups like students, self-help groups, Panchayati Raj institutions to run a communication campaign parallel to the Abhiyan. Let's see how Manrega will complement this scheme. As per Manrega rules, 60% of its expenses should be on construction of farm ponds, watershed development, intensive afforestation, reuse of water and rainwater harvesting. So in this Abhiyan, Manrega will help in resource management. With this, in the villages of water-stressed districts, a special Pani Panchayat will also be formed. This Pani Panchayat will identify the problem and find the solution for those problems. For water conservation and water resource management in water-stressed districts, groundwater experts and scientists will focus on accelerated implementation of 5 target interventions. So with this, Jal Shakti Abhiyan aims at making water conservation a Jan Andolan. This Jan Andolan will be through asset creation as well as extensive communication program. Let's look at 5 target intervention areas. The first one is water conservation and rainwater harvesting. In this, we can use traditional techniques of water conservation and rainwater harvesting. The second one is renovation of traditional and other water bodies or tanks. In this way, we can revive the use of bawlis, ponds, tanks and wells. The third one is reuse and recharge structure. In this way, we will add more water to the buffer, which will add more water to the circulation. The fourth one is watershed development. Through watershed development, we will try to make sustainable distribution of water. And the last one is intensive afforestation. Intensive afforestation, we all know, is planting more and more trees at government as well as mass level. So, all these 5 efforts will result in sustainable use of water. These conservation efforts will be supplemented by initiatives like block and district water conservation plans. Block and district water conservation plans will be integrated with district irrigation plans in this. The next one is Krishi Vigyan Kendra Mela. In this, a Mela will be held to promote efficient water use through choosing better crop for water conservation and using efficient irrigation techniques like drip irrigation instead of pond irrigation. The other one is urban wastewater reuse. In this, the plans will be developed to reuse urban wastewater for industrial as well as agricultural purpose. The next one is scientists and IITs. In this, the talent from IITs and other universities will be utilized by the central government. The last one is 3D contour mapping. In this, 3D contour maps will be created and will be used for efficient planning of intervention areas. We all have learned all about this scheme. Now let's rewind this scheme. Jal Shakti Abhiyan is a time-bound mission mode water conservation campaign run in two phases. In first phase, all states and union territories. Guys, remember, all states and union territories will be involved only in first phase, whereas in second phase only those states and union territories will be involved which receive retreating monsoon. Through this scheme, the government will try to make water conservation a Jan Andolan. This scheme will run in India's most water-stressed districts for water conservation and water resource management by focusing on accelerated implementation of 5 target intervention. So these 5 target intervention areas are water conservation and rainwater harvesting, renovation of water bodies or tanks, reuse and recharge structure, watershed development, intensive afforestation. And these conservation efforts will be supplemented by these initiatives like block and district water conservation plan, Krishi Vigyan Kendra Mela, urban waste water reuse, scientists and IITs, 3D water village contour mapping. We all have learned and revised about this scheme. So now it's time to test ourselves with prelims tools. Our first question is, the intervention areas of Jal Shakti Abhiyan are: first, renovation of traditional and other water bodies or tanks. Second, reuse and recharge structures. And the third one is intensive afforestation. Our options are: first one correct, second correct, all are correct, 2 and 3 are correct. We all have read in our earlier slides that all these intervention areas are part of Jal Shakti Abhiyan. So our option C, all are correct, is correct answer. The next question is, which of the following statement is or are correct regarding Jal Shakti Abhiyan? Statement 1 is, the Jal Shakti Abhiyan will run in 2 phases. First phase from 1st July to 15th September 2019 for all states and union territories. The second phase from 1st October to 30th November for all states and union territories. The second statement is, Jal Shakti Abhiyan is a time-bound mission mode water conservation campaign. Our options are only 1 correct, only 2 correct, none is correct, or both are correct. We all have read these 2 statements in our earlier slides. So I have reminded you so many times that the second phase will not be for all states or union territories, whereas it will be for those states and union territories which receive retreating monsoon. for those union territories and states which receive retreating monsoons. So this first statement will be wrong. And the second statement, the Jal Shakti Abhiyan, is definitely a time bound mission mode water conservation campaign. So the second statement is correct and our option B only 2 is correct.